Hi everyone, it's Miss Giacio, and today I'm going to read you one more Pete the Cat book. This Pete the Cat book I got on the library because I didn't have 5 Pete the Cat books. How sad. But I just wanted to show you that you can go, if you have a library card, you can go to their digital library bank and you can borrow books from the library, and after 14 days they'll go away and you can get some new ones. So this book is an I Can Read book that I downloaded, and it is called Pete the Cat and the Case of the Hiccups. And this one is written by James Dean. He wrote the words and drew the pictures. Hiccups! Oh no, Pete has the hiccups! Hiccup! 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 How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asks Grumpy Toad. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stands on one foot. Hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Hiccup! Pete asked Collie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Collie. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. He sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asks Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly, says Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup. Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete takes a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, says Mom. Pete holds his breath. Pete blows his breath out. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits and waits and waits. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. What a cute story. We all struggle with getting rid of hiccups sometimes. What a cute way to find out how to get rid of hiccups. I hope you enjoyed that story with me. I enjoyed reading with you. Until next time.